Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube not loading on Google Chrome issues. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how to fix this. So I'm going to start with the first one, which is a refresh and restart. So open up Google Chrome and now we want to go ahead and do a hard refresh. So click on Control and F5 at the same time. And now that's going to do a hard refresh. And then from here, close Chrome completely and then reopen Chrome. Another thing we can check is our internet connection. So make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try opening other websites and test your internet to see if it's working. Okay, the next fix we can do is go ahead and clear Chrome cache and cookies. So go to Chrome and then type this in, Chrome settings, clear browser data, and then hit enter. And now from here, we want to make sure cookies from other site data and cached image and files are selected, and go ahead and click delete data. Alright, the fourth fix is to disable any Chrome extensions. So on the top right hand side, click on your extensions and disable all extensions temporarily. Refresh YouTube, see if it works, and then re-enable the extensions one by one to find which culprit is that might be giving you these issues. Okay, fix number 5 is to go ahead and update Google Chrome. So from here, we want to go to Chrome settings help, type that in and then hit enter. From here, make sure Chrome is up to date. If it isn't, go ahead and click on the update button to update Google Chrome to the latest version. We can also always try incognito mode. So click on the three dots, click on new incognito mode, go to Google and open YouTube there. If it works, the issue might be the cookies or extensions. Another fix we can try is reset Google Chrome. So in the URL section, type this in, Chrome settings reset, and then hit enter. This is going to go ahead and restore settings to original defaults. Another thing we can try is check the date and time. So go inside settings, so click on search, get into settings, and then choose time and language. Here it is here. And now from here, we want to go ahead and sync now. But if you're on a Mac, go to system settings, go to general date and time and set automatically. And now if you tried everything, you still got any issues, try a different browser. So if you're using Google Chrome, try Firefox, Safari, Edge, whatever, and see if YouTube works there. If Chrome is the issue, you will know because you can open up in a different web browser.